Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to maximize your custom embed code in Wix Studio. So right here, I have this embed code, which you will see on my website as well. It's a very cool design. I have taken inspiration from one of the pens and then improved it to create something of my own. So I'm going to go ahead and update it, and right here you will see the outcome, the output of this code. And to maximize it, all you have to do is stretch it like this. Okay, and that's it. This is how you can maximize your embed code in Wix Studio, and you will see the effect based on the height of your section or cell, whatever you have. The size of this custom code will depend on the cell or section or container you put this element in. So this is how you can maximize your custom embed code in Wix Studio. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.